Hello children, good morning. Hope you all doing well children. Okay, now today we are going to see about in computer science about computer mouse. What we are going to see today? Computer mouse. Yes, a mouse is a part of a computer. It has two buttons and a scroll wheel. It has a long wire that is attached to CPU box. So can you see the computer picture? There's a violet on the top and the bottom is white color. See, there is a long wire that is attached to the CPU box. It has two buttons, and middle you can see a scroll wheel. Middle you can see a scroll wheel. The two buttons is left button, right button, left button, right button. Yes. Now you can use a finger to point something. Now we are using finger like that in computer. To point something we can use as a mouse pointer, that we call as a mouse pointer. A mouse also helps to select and move icons on the screen. When we move the mouse, an arrow moves on the screen. When we move a mouse on the table, so they can see, you can observe an arrow is moving on the screen. That only we call as a mouse pointer. Next page, can we go for the next page children? Yes. Now here 28 page, here you can see using a computer mouse. Now how we have to use a computer mouse? You should place a mouse on a mouse pad. How we have to do? We should place a mouse on a mouse pad. This pad helps to move the mouse smoothly. It also keeps the mouse free from dust. You can hold, can you see that the mouse pad, that the pink color is the mouse pad. Now you can hold the mouse with either a left hand or the right hand. Okay, we can hold the mouse either left hand or right hand. See, down there are two pictures. Can you see the two pictures? Yes, the boy Aryan is holding the mouse with right hand, while the Pinky holds the mouse with the left hand. Okay. Yes, first the computer mouse was made up of wood and two metal wheels. It is made up of wood and had two metal wheels. To use a mouse, rest your palm. Now next page, turn the next page children. To use a mouse, rest your palm and hold it on gently. Your thumb should be on one side and ring finger and the little finger should be on the other side. So how it should be? Your thumb should be in one side, while the ring finger and the little finger should be on the other side of the mouse. Yes. Now see the picture now, holding a mouse with the right hand. How we have to hold a mouse with the right hand? Keep your index finger on the left mouse button and middle finger on the right mouse button. Can you see the picture here? Yes. How they placed the finger here? Index finger on the left mouse while the middle finger on the right mouse. Yes, holding a mouse with the left hand. Keep your index finger on the right mouse button and the middle finger on the left mouse button. Now down, can you see the picture here? How they hold it in the left hand? Index finger will be in the right mouse while the middle finger will be in the left mouse. Can you see the picture now? Yes. So you now know how to use the mouse. Now turn the page number now. So this is mouse action. Now try pressing a button on the mouse. Do you hear the sound of the click? Yes, you did. Pressing a button on a mouse is called clicking. Let us learn about some of the actions that we do using the mouse buttons and scroll wheel. Okay, some of the actions we see now. Mouse actions we are going to see. Now turn the page now. Yes. So on the top you see the left click. What is the left click? Okay, left click to press the left mouse button once and release it. Only one time only we have to press and we have to release. That term we call as a click or left click. What we'll say? Click or left click. You can use a click to select an icon of the screen. So what purpose we are using? To select an icon. What purpose we are using? To select an icon. Now double click down. See on the top you see in the picture, click they are doing. So what purpose? Now select an icon. The other picture, can you see the select an icon top? Now we will go to the down picture, that is double click. To double click, press the left mouse button twice quickly and release it. Twice quickly, na 2 times you have to click and release. You can use a double click to open an icon on the screen. So what we have to, you can see the picture now. The person is doing here and the red round is there now. That is only they are using a double click on the left mouse button. See that. So click 2 times. That is only we call as a double click. So what purpose it is used? To open an icon. The first one is to select an icon. Second one is click is to select an icon. Double click is what? To open an icon. Double click is what? To open an icon. Now next page. We'll go to the next page, children. Right click. What is this? Right click. To right click, press and release the right mouse button once. First what we have to do? We have to press and release the right mouse button only once. So the right click opens a list of options we'll use. So what is the purpose of opening the right click? Now you will get a list of options. You will get the list of options. You see the picture. From the picture you can see they have done right click and now it has opened. What it shows? It shows a list of options. You can say. Now we'll go for the next down, that is scrolling. That is what we call as a scrolling. You can roll the scroll wheel of a mouse up and down you can do. So this is called scrolling. So if you scroll up and down the thing, see the person is doing the scroll wheeling up and down. So this type of doing up and down is scrolling. Scrolling the mouse moves a page up and down of the screen. So there you can see the picture. Arrow mark is shown here now. Blue arrow mark. You can go either you can go the upside of the picture or the down page also you can go. Understood, children, now? Yes. So scrolling. This is only scrolling. Now the next is down. You can see a mouse is available in different designs. See how it is, so many design it is available. Teddy bear, penguins, chili, beetles and tortoise shape and all it is available. Okay, can we go for the exercise? Now circle the correct answer. Now in that, see, a computer mouse has dash and dash buttons on a scroll and a scroll wheel. 2 or 4 buttons they are asking. 2 is the correct answer. Next, number 2. When you move a dash, arrow moves on the screen. Arrow, when it comes, when you move a mouse only, that arrow comes. So mouse is the correct answer. Strike the keyboard. Okay. When you are right-handed, you should keep the dash and dash on the left mouse button. Okay, what finger we have to keep? Index finger, thumb finger. Index finger is the correct answer. You can dash and dash to select an icon on the screen. You can click. Click is the correct answer. To double click, press the left mouse button once or twice or quickly. Double click means always twice. 2 times you have to click. Double click means always twice. 2 times you have to click. Now can we go for the one more time? I'll say the answer. Circle is to first Number 1 is 2 is the answer. Number 2 is mouse is answer. Number 3 is index finger is the answer. Number 4 is click is the answer. 5 is twice is the answer. Now fill in the blanks. We go to the fill in the blanks now. So the words are given on the top. You have to choose and write. The dash is an arrow seen on the screen. Mouse pointer. What is that? Mouse pointer. You should place a mouse on a mouse pad. Where we have to place on a mouse pad. To dash, press the left mouse button once. Click. To dash, press the left button mouse twice quickly. Double click. Twice no always, double click will come. Fifth one, dash a mouse moves the page up and down. Scrolling. Number 1 is answer mouse pointer. Number 2 is mouse pad. Number 3 is click. Number 4 is double click. Number 5 is scrolling. Okay, now we'll go for the question and answers. Name number 1. Name the 2 buttons of the mouse, left and right. Number 2. What is a mouse pointer? A mouse pointer is an arrow seen on the monitor. A mouse pointer is an arrow seen on the monitor. Number 3. How does a mouse pad help? A mouse pad helps to move the mouse smoothly. A mouse pad helps to move the mouse smoothly. Which finger will be a right-handed person used to click? Middle finger. Okay. Now again I'll repeat the question answers. First answer is left and right. Second answer is a mouse pointer is an arrow seen on the monitor. While the third answer is a mouse pad helps to move the mouse smoothly. Fourth answer, middle finger. Okay children, can we go for the next page? Here see, there are 2 pictures are given here. Number 1, A is one picture, B is one picture. You have to select which is the correct one and you have to put a tick mark on that box. So number 1 is the correct answer is A, where B is the wrong. Can we go for the second one? In these 2 pictures are given, we have to select which is correct, which is wrong. In the 2, A is wrong, B is correct. Put tick for the B. Number 3, in that A picture is given, B picture is given. A is correct, put tick for that, but B is wrong, put wrong for that. So number 1 answer is A is correct answer. Number 2, B is correct answer. Number 3, again A is correct answer, children. Okay, now look at the pictures. Write the names of these things numbered 1 to 5. So there are 5 pictures are given here. Can you see this? What is the first picture? Everyone knows mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. You have to write in that blanks. And what is the second picture? Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Number 3. What is the third picture? Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. What is the fourth picture? Sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. What is the fifth picture? Eggs. E-G-G-S. Eggs. Okay, now write the first letter of each thing to make the name of the part of the computer. So from these pictures you have to take the first letter of all these pictures. You will get a word. What is that word? Mouse. What is that word? Mouse. Okay children, hope you all understood everything now. Here in that page number 35 you can color the mouse and put a smiley face on that. Okay children, thank you children.